Hello and welcome to my channel, Coding with Zach. Today we will be installing Python 3.8 onto Windows 10. First, we need to download the Python 3.8 executable file from the Python website. You can first navigate to the python.org/downloads and then click on the Python 3.8.1 version. This has a list of all the new features that are in 3.8.1, and if you scroll down to the bottom, you have different downloadable files for a specific operating system. Today we're going to be downloading the Windows 64-bit executable installer, and you just click on it and the download begins. Once the download is finished, you can just come over here and click on the executable file. This will start the installation process. A good thing to note here is the folder location for where Python will be installed. This is important because if there's an issue with the path that gets added, you can come back and fix it later. But continuing on with the installation, what we need to do is click the Add Python 3.8 to Path. This will automatically add the Python 3.8 path to the environmental variables. Next, we just need to click Install Now, and the process continues. Once the installation process is finished, you should get a message saying the setup was successful. Just click Close, and to verify that everything was installed properly, open up the command prompt. I have it pinned to my taskbar, but you can go to the search, type in CMD, opens up command prompt, and you type in Python, and everything has been installed correctly. Now, if you didn't get this Python 3.8.1 output like you see on the screen, then the path did not get set to the environment variables, and the folder location that I mentioned to save earlier will come in handy. To fix the environment variables problem, you will go to the File Explorer. I have the location copied, so I'll just paste it into the search bar, press enter, and this where the python.exe file is, that's what you want to use. So it's this location. We'll copy that. We will go to the search bar and start typing in environment variables, press enter, environment variables, and then you click on path, edit, and then here I would click new and paste it in here, but I've already completed this step, so I'm going to leave it be. But you will need the Python 38 one, which is this, but you also need to go to the scripts and use this path as well. Once you add both of these to the environment variables, you just click OK, and that should fix it. From here, we can use the print command to print out hello world, which is a customary process once you install a new programming language, is to make sure you can get at least one program to work, and there it printed out hello world. I'll also make a Python script real quick just to show you how to do the same thing in a file. Let's exit out of this with Control Z, enter, and then my editor of choice is Atom. Come over here, right click, new file. It's going to be hello world.py, and then print hello world. From here, we save it, go back to the command prompt, and we change it to the directory we're currently in, which is desktop, scripts, Python, and then to check that we're in the correct place, there's the hello world.py, and then Python hello world, print it out. And that's all there is to it to write your first program in Python. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching.